Hi everybody and welcome to this video. Today we're going to make this Metagross toy for 3D print. Last video we created this Metagross toy. If you want to model this piece, go to my channel. In the next video we will create this Mega Metagross toy. We need a new document in centimeters. Make a polygon, 10 sides, click anywhere, corner 6.5. Now we must rotate. Make a concentric circle, diameter 16. Move it 4 units. Rotate in the right view. Make a polyline from end to near. Select this vector and mirror from center. Reveal this curve. Points on. Select this point and move it. Once again. Make a polyline from end to near. Select this curve and mirror from center. Select these curves, points on, and move it 0.5. Create a line from end to near and mirror. Go to Sweep to Rails, first rail, second rail, and select these curves. Select this polysurface and make a cap. Select this curve and copy from center to 1 unit. Select to make an arc from quad to quad and sweep to rails. Select this polysurface and cap. Make a concentric circle. No reference. Click, select and rotate. Make a planar surface and go to Extrude Surface Typed. Flip angle select the solid and scale to D. Create a new layer, blue color, change object layer, go to Curve, Shaded View, and Draw Like Me. Wireframe view, point sound and move it. Shaded view, select this curve and mirror. Select and project these curves. Select these curves, go to Patch, Offset Surface, make a new red layer, make a circle and mirror. Project these curves. Wireframe view, delete this curve, select this vector and patch. Offset these surfaces. Make a circle in the black layer. Project these curves. Make a patch and offset. Shaded view, make a circle in the right view. Copy paste and rotate. Rotate these circles. Scale 1D. Rotate in the right view. Go to line from midpoint. Sweep one rail. Make a new layer, white color, and change object layer. Select this surface and offset. Make a mirror. Make a square. Points on and move it. Move this vector and scale. Rotate this curve. Shaded view. And rotate again. Select and extrude close planar curve. Select extrude and mirror. Select both polysurfaces and mirror. Go to Boolean difference. Select this polysurface, enter. Select these polysurfaces and enter. We need a cylinder. Make a sphere from center. Scale 1D. Boolean difference and delete. Go to box and draw like me. Boolean split. Delete yes. Select these polysurfaces and mesh. Delete the original polysurfaces. Select these meshes and reduce mesh. delete the original meshes, go to Curve and Draw. Join these vectors move and extrude closed planar curve. Check the white layer, go to Paraboloid and Draw. Select and cap. Move it. Copy and mirror. Select these solids and rotate. Make a sphere. Make a line from midpoint to center. Select, points on, and move it. Make a pipe. Select these solids and mirror. Once again. And that's it. If you want, you can print this toy. In the next video, we will create a Mega Metagross toy. If you want to buy these toys, my mail is in the description of this video. If you like, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.